In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task on Airtable. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or just making sure everything is in order, knowing how to delete a task efficiently is essential. Let's dive into it. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable home screen. This is essentially your command center, where you have access to all your bases. For those unfamiliar, a base in Airtable is like your workspace. It houses all your related tasks and projects neatly organized in one spot. Next, you'll want to navigate to the specific base that contains the task you're looking to delete. All you have to do is click on this base to open it. Upon entering the base, you'll be greeted by a list of records. Each record here represents individual tasks or projects within your base. Your next step is to identify the specific task or project you wish to remove. If you've got numerous entries, it may require a bit of scrolling. Take your time to pinpoint the correct record. This step is crucial, as you want to avoid deleting something unintentionally. Once you've confidently located the task, go ahead and click on the record. This action will open a new window, providing a detailed view of the task. It's here that you'll see various options and fields that you've been using to manage your task. Focus your attention on the upper section of this window. Look out for a small icon with 3 dots. Although it's subtle, this icon is key when it comes to managing your record settings. With a simple click on this 3-dot icon, you'll reveal a drop-down menu brimming with options. Within this menu, you'll notice several choices, one of which is deleting the project. Hover over these options, and you'll see Delete Project. When you're ready, select this option to begin the deletion process. A quick note before you proceed. When you choose to delete a task, depending on your account settings and any automated backups, this action could be irreversible. Ensure that you're absolutely certain you won't need this task later on. It's always good to double-check before moving forward. After confirming that deletion is the desired action, click on Delete Project. Just like that, the task is now removed from your Airtable base. This straightforward process helps keep your workspace organized and free from outdated or unnecessary tasks. Remember, maintaining an organized environment not only boosts productivity, but also enhances clarity in managing your projects. Thanks for following along, and until next time, keep your spaces clean and your projects on track.